What's up, guys? So what you see in front of you is called a oxygen injection facial spray. So a mouthful of a name. So what it does is that it injects oxygen and also atomizes this water that you put in this small little can, transparent plastic can, and it atomizes it and also injects oxygen into it, and these becomes very fine particles of water that can easily penetrate your skin. So it's different than your normal sprays in the sense that it not only atomizes it, it tries to inject oxygen, or at least they claim that they try to inject oxygen. So this is kind of a pump. We have a button here. Sorry, I have been using this one for like almost last 1.5 years, so it's in rough condition. So don't expect it to be new. The charges by micro USB. There are ones with type C as well. It is totally up to you. And these are not buttons, these are just design. Button is just there. You can you can remove this section. This is part, cylindrical part is the one that pushes the oxygen into it. This is its nib, small little mouth. This part is where you fill in the oxygen, water. If you can easily remove it and refill it like this, and then once you're done, you can close it up. This is the button, micro USB. Once you're done, you just put it back like this, and once you're ready, just press this button. I don't think you can even see this. I wish there was a way for me to even show you. The water particles are so light that I don't think camera is even catching them, but you can see on my hand like the water particles, and on the skin, see. So even if you can't see them, they are there. So this right here, so it atomizes them, injects them with oxygen, so skin and this water can easily penetrate your skin. This is made for your face, of course, and I use it for my face as well. I am a software engineer. I work like 8 to 10 hours a day sitting in front of a computer doing a bunch of coding. The area around my eyes get demoisturized or dehydrated, so whenever I feel like it, I take it up and use it for a few minutes on my face, and I get a fresh feeling. The water that is emitted from this pump, when you throw it on your face, it does not feel like you're throwing water. It kind of penetrates your skin. That's the beauty of it. That's why I like it. It feels like it is directly penetrating the pores of your skin. So it feels really good. And as you can see it, even though it is in a bit of rough state, I have kept with it on my table for like last 1.5 years. So I thought I should share it with you guys as well. Let me know what you think. Take care. Bye.